Hello everyone, welcome to the Excel lesson number 84. So this is the part 14 of charts learning series. So what is the topic today? So still we are talking about different chart types. And today we are going to talk about another new chart type. What is that? So that is waterfall chart. So let's see what is the waterfall and how we can create a waterfall and how we can read the waterfall. Right. A waterfall chart shows a running total. It shows a running total, right? As values are added or subtracted. It is useful for understanding how an initial value is affected by a series of positive and negative values. This type of chart very much useful for showing changes such as variance analysis, cash flow changes, even income statement. So did you know that you can visualize your income statement using the waterfall chart? The columns are color coded. So you can see here, this is the start, this is the end. So start and end having a different color, while the positive numbers are having blue and the negative numbers are having another color. So you can change the color based on your desire using the color themes. And also you can say something very interesting, the initial value and the final value. These columns often start on horizontal axis, while the intermediate values are floating columns. Because of this look, waterfall charts are also called as bridge charts. Right. Now we have a good understanding about waterfall chart and in which situation we can use it. Now let's go to create two waterfall charts. So here I have a data set. So this data set is about cash flow. We have the start balance and the end balance and also the net effect of in and outflows from January to December. Now let's select the data area, come to insert ribbon, and you can see this is the option where we can find the waterfall chart type. Select on the drop down and the first one is the waterfall. Just click on it. Now you have here the waterfall chart for your cash flow. And now you can see the starting point is fine, but the end point is not according to our requirement. So we can change that. First of all, we have to set the start and the end point as totals. So how to do that? Just come to the start point, select that data bar. So then you will see the data point option, and from there you can set the column as a total. Same thing you can do to the end point. Even you can right click over that and click on set as total. Now you can see. So this is why we call this as a bridge chart. And then positives in blue and then decreases are in orange. You can change the type, actually the style or the color. So let's do this way. Right. So this looks nice, isn't it? You can see the start balance and the end balance and the net effect of each month. So like that you can create. So now let's do the same for income statement. So we have an income statement. This is a kind of a high level. You can see sales, cost of sales, gross profit, administration and other expenses and net profit. So we can visualize this using the waterfall. So let's do it. Insert waterfall, and you have it now. Now we can arrange this. Sales is an income, right? So sales here and finally the net profit here. So our gross profit and net profit should be our totals, right? So then you can right click on the gross profit bar and set as total, and you can do the same for the net profit and set as total. So we have sales minus cost of sales, and this is the gross profit, and minus administration and other expenses, and this is the net profit. So really handy, isn't it? You can use this waterfall chart even for income statement. Okay friends, so that's how we can use the waterfall charts in your day-to-day work. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please follow my page, share these lessons with anybody that you would like to do so. So then you will multiply the knowledge in that way and helping me to share the knowledge with everybody. Thank you again for your wonderful time that you have given to learn this video. God bless you, everyone. Let's meet with another lesson very quickly. Bye for now.